Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into 5 lesser known Excel shortcuts that will save you time and make your work much more efficient. Let's get right into it. First one is F4, which repeats your last action instantly. Whether you are formatting cells, inserting rows, or performing almost any action in Excel, F4 lets you repeat your last action instantly. Let's see practically. You are reviewing this data and you want to highlight the ones which you find it suspicious. So what you will do, suppose you find this hotel 3000 suspicious. You will come here, you'll come to home, and then you'll choose color, any color you want to, and highlight it. Now every time you don't have to perform this step, you perform the last step which you highlighted it. Now what you can do is just scroll down, okay, and you find 2500 as a suspicious activity, just press F4. 4000 as a suspicious activity, just press F4. 60 is very low, just press F4. So with the single stroke it will work for you. Next we have Control plus grave accent. This one's a lifesaver when you need to review or audit your formulas. Pressing Control plus grave accent will toggle between showing the formulas results and the actual formulas in the cells. Let's see practically. Suppose you have this data and you don't have to do a double click and check. Simple, what you can do is press Control and the grave accent button, and you can see what all formulas were used. It will actually show you the formulas which were used, and this will be very helpful for you to audit and to understand where and what formulas were used. And again, to come back to a normal mode, press Control and grave accent. This will come back to a normal state. Suppose you get a sheet from any of your colleagues and you don't want to ask them what formulas were used, you can use this trick. Shortcut number 3 is Control plus semicolon. This is very nice. This is perfect for when you need to insert today's date quickly, whether you're logging data or time stamping entries. Let's see practically. Suppose you have this data, okay, and you have written some task. Today you're working on check emails and you want to insert a date. You don't have to type it manually. Just type Control plus semicolon. The date will automatically get entered. So you don't have to worry about the formattings. Continuing with time saving shortcuts, Control Shift plus colon inserts the current time into the selected cell. This is especially useful when you're tracking the start time of task or logging when something was completed. Just like with the date, it's quick and easy. No need to type it manually. Let's see practically. Suppose you have this check email where you have written date and now you want to insert a start time so that you can track it. Just press Control Shift and colon. Timing starts now. And once you end this check emails task, again press Control Shift colon. It will capture the end time. What you can do is you can just say equal to this minus this will give you a correct duration of how many hours or minutes you worked on that particular task. The last one is Control Shift plus U. This shortcut is your new best friend. It expands the formula bar, giving you more room to see and edit those complex formulas. So when you press Control Shift U, it expands your formula bar and you can see what all formulas were written on that particular cell. And again, when you press Control Shift U, it comes back to a normal state. If you like it, please do share and subscribe. And you can also watch other videos related to Power BI and Excel. Thank you so much.